Hey y'all. I'm back, y'all. Did y'all miss me? Back on the scene. 313 Retro Queen bars. I've been working on that all day. Nah, for real. That just came out. But hey, I missed y'all. But there's no other time than right now to come back and share with y'all my latest pickup. Like, this was a top priority for me. It's a release. It's not due to release for another couple weeks. I think it's November 20th is the release of these. This is a personal pair. Got them in early from my boy Drama, the manager. If y'all not following him on Instagram, go over and follow him. He has early pairs. He does pre-orders, fast shipping, very professional, great person to work with. Yes, he is a reseller. So if y'all feel some kind of way about resellers, so be it. But I mean, it's part of the game. It is what it is. I suggest you find you one you can trust, because I got me one, and I'm putting it out there. So don't say I ain't tell you. But yeah, man, like I said, I'm back, and there's no way I was gonna come back and after all this time and not have something exciting to share with y'all. Well, at least I'm excited about it, because you know, it is what it is. I love me some ones. So yeah, man, I'm gonna show y'all. Here's the box. Here we go. And like I said, it is my personal pair. This is a GS pair, size 6. I wear a size 6 in GS. I wear a size 7.5 in women. So yay. Yes, I took them out of the cardboard box because I'll be showing my address on the screen, and I'm really bad with that. So I need to take them out the cardboard box, the shipping box first, and then show them. But man, y'all know what it is. Look at this. Oh, I'll twist this all up. My bad. It is the Bordeaux ones. Yay! Look at that. Yay! I have them in my hand. I have them in my hand. I am so excited to have this shoe, y'all. Now, I am going to call this maroon probably 50 million times. I don't know. In my head, I just see maroon. That's what I see. I don't know. Call it the old lady in me, but that's the color I see. But it's the Bordeaux Air Jordan 1, which actually reminds me a lot of the CO. Japan pairs, the silver pair and the midnight navy pair, of course. If you know, people throw that biohack in there, but this is nowhere near like that. This is my favorite colorway on Air Jordan 1. I just think it's super clean. I don't know how a lot of people feel about this air bubble type wings logo, but I think it's kind of dope. It's different. I like you know, little subtle differences on my shoes, so it is what it is. You got the metallic silver swoosh on here. I think that's a nice touch on there. In my head, I was trying to figure out how I would feel about this if that was all gold, but I don't know. I don't think I would like it as much. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna knock it. It might have been dope if it was gold. I'm gonna let y'all know up front right now that the leather on here is nice. Like, yeah, my nail tech be doing it. She does her own thing, and yes, that does say Nike on my nails. Just so y'all know. I love this. This is a great fall color. Even up here around this ankle collar, man, this leather up here is pretty nice and pretty decent, pretty soft. If y'all want to see, like, I rub across it, like, it's not hard at all. Like, you got that little tumble going on back here, tumble on there. We got the cloth tongue on here. So unlike the CO. Japan, you know, it's got the nylon tongue on here with that nylon tag up there, which I prefer after getting my midnight navy pair of the CO. Japans. But I'm gonna stop comparing them to those because this is not that, even though wonder if that's where the inspiration for this shoe came from, because it is just like it, everything other than the leather tongue and of course the color. But here's the bottom. Got that dark maroon color. Oops, see, there I go, maroon, whatever you want to call it, because I'm gonna call it maroon because I like maroon. I just like the word, I guess. I don't know. Bordeaux. Seems like it should just stick to the 7 and actually the 6, which I like. So don't knock it. I like that 6. I like the Bordeaux colorway on the 6 more than I do the 7, actually. It is what it is. Don't at me. So when you look up in here, man, you got the white. See that insole with the Bordeaux Nike Air swoosh on there. Is that upside down? Yeah, it is. Okay, there you go. Size 6 in there. Got your little cardboard ass shoe tree in there. I hate them bad boys. I mean, they work, but only for so long. But man, yeah, these were a big deal for me. Like, I really had to have these. Here's the other one. It's got the extra laces. It comes with a white pair of laces, which I just think I'm probably gonna rock with this Bordeaux lace in there because I just love the color. Like, it is a perfect fall color. Very dope shoe. I love this color. I mean, you know, it's a 1. You see 1, you see them all pretty much, but it's all in the color, man. It's in the color. It's in what they do with the colors, and you know, like I said, I like this bubble up here. I don't know why I like this so much, but I like how different it is. Yeah, this leather on here is pretty dope, man. So let me know if y'all feeling these. Like, here's both the shoes, man. Here we go. Can y'all see that? I hope the light's not dimming it up, making it look too weird. Excuse my trashy sneaker room in the back. So, man, what y'all think about these? Do y'all like them? Do you not like them? Are you picking them up? Are you going to attempt to pick them up? Because, you know, with ones, resellers, all that, they're going to sell out. They're not going to sell out to everybody who wants to wear them. So it is what it is. But, yeah, man, I'm feeling these. Like, I'm in love with these. They smell good, too. Silence. Silence while I sniff my sneaker. Anyway, but yeah, man, we have a lot of releases coming out coming up during the holiday season. So of course this is one of those pairs. I have not put them on foot yet. I will be putting them on foot. I'll take some photos of these, get them over to you guys, check them out. Couple of things, like I said, Drama the Manager, give him a follow over there on Instagram. That's my guy. That's where I got these from. That's who I got these through. Early pairs. He does early pairs. He does pre-orders, things like that. Check him out, see what he got to offer. What else? Oh, who has the heat? Psh, I ain't forget about that, baby. You know how we get down. Going on over there and subscribe to the channel. We are starting season 7 coming up pretty soon here. We just finished doing the chat awards. So that that was very interesting. The most interesting thing of the night was the article of clothing, the shirt that E-Money decided to wear. I am still laughing. I can't believe it. It's been like 3 days and I'm still laughing at that shirt. It is circulating all over Instagram. So if you're not following the Who Has the Heat Instagram page, I don't know what the problem is, but go over there and follow it, subscribe to the channel, and, you know, we holding it down. Me, E-Money Shoes, McFly, PM when he decides to want to show up. But, and, you know, the chat is all that and a bag of chips, baby. They be getting it down over there. They keep it cracking. We be laughing. We be having a good time. So, yeah, man, just check it out. I'm just still excited to have this shoe. So, like I said, I'm just glad to be ahead of the curve, to not have to stress. Not that I really stress about it because I'm about what I want. But, you know, to not have to deal with all that hustle and bustle coming up around release time is nice. I'm going to be able to sleep in one of these Saturdays and chill out. So, yeah, man, check out Who Has the Heat. Check out my boy Drama the Manager over on Instagram. That is Drama DA Manager. Okay, all one word. So y'all check him out. Show him some love, because, you know, he does good things over there. And he, like I said, he got the heat, baby. It ain't just small timing either. So check it on out. Do what you do. And y'all, yo, keep it 100. Y'all stay safe out there. And I'm going to holler at y'all next time. Peace.